What is up, everybody? My name is Austin and you're watching the Power Stoke channel. I am not wearing sunglasses, so that's probably really weird. And it is Thursday, it's not the weekend, and I'm doing something to my truck. It's a pretty good reason, actually. Pardon the lawnmower noise in the background. It is a beautiful day today. So everybody's basically doing their yard work. So I have to haul stuff for work, like take stuff to the dump, and I was just taking a load of cardboard to recycle because, you know what, I drive diesel, but I'm kind of green. And I took it to the fuel station, shut it off, filled it up, and the truck just clicked and wouldn't start. I'll show you guys here in a second. Alright guys, starter went out when I was filling up the truck. Just my luck. So we're dropping the drive line and we're going to haul it to my parents' house and we're going to fix this. So I guess I got my content for the week, right? Starter change on a 7.3. So as you guys can see, the truck does not want to crank at all. It just clicks. The starter isn't even engaging. The tow truck driver started smacking it while I was turning the key, and it slowly spun, and he said it arced and smoked. So I'm going to say it's pretty toast. All right, so now with both batteries disconnected, and I'm unboxing the new pretty starter. Woo! We can throw this on. All right, so to pull this starter out, there are 3 bolts. There's 2 here on the bottom, and then around the top of the starter, there's 1 more. Mine are, socket go. Mine are 18mm bolts for the mount for the starter, and then there's this giant, here, see if we can get the camera in here, babe. So right here, there's this giant lead. I'm trying to get that off, and this one's a 17 for me, but I'm having a fight because I can't get the socket in there to save my life. So once this lead is off, then you can unmount it, and this thing is going to be heavy. So if you guys are doing this at home, be very careful because this thing probably weighs about 20 pounds. Believe it or not, this is ridiculous. And just like that, the old 188,000 mile starter is out. Thing weighs like 3 tons. Nice and filthy here. Time to put the new one in. All right guys, new starter is in. Go ahead and crank it over. Wow. Guys, that is a major difference in the starter. This is so stinking fast. That is insane. It used to just be really slow. That starter needed to be replaced a long time ago. Let the little grease, some muscle can't handle. You guys, if I can do this stuff on my diesel, you guys can too. Don't take it to a shop. The starter was super easy to get to. It's right under the passenger side. Right on, guys. All right, guys, I just stopped at O'Reilly's to get my core charge back, and look at this Bronco. God dang. Nice little push bar, winch on it. This thing is huge. And I'll show you guys the height difference here. Holy cow. It's got the top off. Beautiful day. Yeah, look at this height. Like, mine's leveled, and you guys know what a leveled up 250 looks like. This thing's monstrous. Rocking some nice fuel wheels. Nice rig. That new starter is awesome. All right, you guys, as you can tell, it's a new day. I got a new shirt on. It's nice weather. So I put the new starter on Thursday. Man, has it made a difference. It's a high torque starter. This truck doesn't bog down anymore. That was one major issue with the old starter, is that the truck bogged down horribly when you go to start it. Something about it just wasn't right for the truck, or something. I don't know what the problem was with it, but it just had a major issue. So I'm trying something new for the camera angle today. I have the GoPro mounted on my dash pointing at me, and this kind of allows me to drive more safely, and the camera's way more steady, because now that I have a 60 frame per second camera, it records really well, but it also, every single shake that I do, it records. So I need to get like a stick forward or something that helps me hold it better. So my new camera, I never got to tell you guys about it, it's a GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It's pretty sweet. I really, really enjoy it. It records really, really well. Beautiful, beautiful. It records really well. It's definitely something better than what I had. It records an actual 1080. The color balance is pretty good. I mean, I have no complaints. And it's just a crisper image. Enough about that. Next week's video is going to be something you guys are super excited about. The box is back at the house, but I'm not going to show you the box. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You can guess, but I know it's going to make you guys super excited. I'm super excited to install it. People ask me where I get stuff or what part or wherever I get it. I usually put that in the description. I think I have the full list of the mods done to the truck in the description. description of every video now. Well, starting with last week's video, I made it so that all the upgrades on my truck are now going to be in the description. So if you see somebody in the comments and I haven't commented back already, go ahead and tell them, you know, all my mods are listed in my description, because it's not a secret. If you guys want an awesome truck like this, I absolutely think you guys should be able to know what I'm doing to mine so you can do it to yours. Because I know today's video is kind of lame. It's just a starter replacement, and it's also me just talking to you guys. I haven't done a video like this in a long time, and I'm sorry about that. I know you guys don't like these. I mean, you might, but I know they're kind of boring. Next week is going to be a major mod that a lot of you guys have requested, and something that I am super excited to do and kind of learn about, and so I can teach you guys. It's definitely going to be a how-to video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos, commenting, liking, everything, guys. Seriously, I cannot express how much I appreciate it. It really helps me out. It really makes me feel good, and it allows me to know what you guys like. It allows me to communicate with you guys, because I know that's a major disconnect between YouTubers and their comments and their subscribers, and I'm trying to do my best with that. I try to reply to everybody because I want everybody to feel like they're heard and that they're part of the channel, and that I'm not just some guy that's recording about his truck, that I'm an actual person and I can help you guys to the best of my knowledge. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like button. Share this video with two friends. That's all I'm asking, and let's see how far this can spread. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.